still dark, but we gotta make a video.
I dropped by anyway, I figured I'd check out.
Yeah, we're gonna be using the Spyro this morning. It's early. It's like 7 o'clock. It's a Saturday morning. We try to get out here early before all the traffic's stirred up, but already there's like tons of traffic. We got one lane blocked on our very busy, it's like the busiest road in my city. We got one lane blocked. The city's here to help us with it. The cones are set up, the signs are set up, and the traffic's already busy. This is gonna be interesting.
Never seen this street before. I mean, I'm sure I've seen it before. I thought it was a different one.
Huge cable line running right through the tree right here too. This goes way out over the lanes. I was gonna climb this, dude. I really considered it. I looked at all the angles and I was like, it's definitely climbable. It would suck.
It would have been a lot to move around in. It probably would have been fun to kind of move around in.
While you're over on that side, Jimmy, you can just cut up whatever you want over there. We have the city here. He's watching the road for us. I never thought I'd be happy to have the city on one of my work sites, but in this case, totally cool with me. I'm happy to have it. Yeah, we're over the lane now. He's piecing out one of the long leaders. Super tangly birch tree, so he has to pull it all the way out of the limbs, otherwise it'll swing back towards the street.
Hey, you might just want to keep an eye on the road while I piece this out because it's so brittle.
He's just taking off pieces he can handle, and he's tossing them over this cable wire here onto the yard over here. We're gonna stack up all the wood over here on the yard. Junior's already took the top out of this one. Now he's coming out here. He's taking out this limb over here, and after that, he'll probably scoot back this way, get some more stuff. We're working this tree on both sides. And you can see the huge tear out right here. Junior's put a line on it. Line goes up. We got it locked off with the porter wrap going up through a block, and it comes straight across here. And we've secured that big breakout so that when Greg starts cutting up the stuff around it, it doesn't just release. We're about an hour and some change into this, and we got a bunch done already. But the big challenging part's still out here, way out here over the road and over this power line right here. So maybe the easy part's done, the hard part's still to come. Repositioning. Probably maybe reposition 2 more times or 1 more time after this, but for now we got the left side leader out, so now we're going up to the center one here and the tall stuff. See the power line coming through here. We got the cable lines coming through here, right through the tree. It's ready to go. Oh yeah, it's still on the tree, but we got it with the rope for back up there, but it is still attached to the stem up there as well.
I'm happy it didn't just like slam out of there.
Yeah.
As soon as he cut that. I was worried about that one.
Yep. Wow, a lot of tension on that wire right there. The wires wanted to come up, smacked him in the hand. There it is. Now he'll fight it out.
Hey, hold him right there. Put a good amount of pressure on it. I think we got to start moving, so hold it tight.
Jonas took a little swing.
Swing time.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, it's going to be too heavy. I don't think we'll be able to pull up on it.
Let's try it. Let's try once.
Good.
Nope. We could just cut it up from there. We'll secure it. All right, all the way down. Drop it. Drop it. Yeah. Now Greg's out over that line, the power line now. He's right over that second lane too, so he's got to be super careful here. Any little pieces drop down while traffic's coming and somebody's not going to have a good morning.
Dude, the spider lift was so the move. It really, really made this go from a full day job to a half day. Saved us hours of time. Because I kept thinking about it. I was like, yeah, that is climbable. Do I want to? Not really.
No.
Like, it would have been such a crappy climb, and you would have been swimming in these calm lines the whole time.
Yeah.
That
Simple.
one little piece fused?
Yeah. It's gonna be there for a while.
Yeah, that's funny.
Nearly got her.
Hey! Nice work, man. Hell yeah.
They really like that. We got the rain coming in, some dark clouds over here. It's about to get to us. We're chunking this out the rest of the way, rolling the wood over here, and we're gonna call it good. As you can see, we're all cleaned up now. Road's clean. The road manager, he's ready to go right now, so we'll chunk that down the rest of the way and call it good. Thanks for watching, guys.